Hello, this is Billy Core from homeofcarolinacirclemile.com, and in my third video on my new series of my favorite classic computer games of the 1990s, we will be taking a look at one of my all-time favorites, another humongous entertainment game, which happens to be the very first humongous entertainment game ever made, and it's this one right here. Putt-Putt Joins the Parade. Okay, a quick synopsis off Wikipedia says, Putt-Putt Joins the Parade starts when Putt-Putt wants to join a parade that is to go through his town. To do this, he must find various objects such as a pet and a balloon and get a car wash. This is the one where Putt-Putt goes into the cave and finds Pep, Putt-Putt's little brown dog. Okay, without any further interruptions, let's begin. Putt-Putt Joins the Parade. Now let's switch over to the computer camera. Okay, here's the title screen. Junior Adventures, that's what these were called. Copyright 1992, folks. 1992.
Hi, I'm Putt-Putt. Come join me on my adventure.
It was actually the same year Windows 3.1 came out. That son looks so scary, actually. Oh, he even has his own welcome sign.
I think I'll turn on my radio.
Good morning, Cartown! Wake up, all you swamp buggies and funny cars, because today is the Cartown Pet Parade. Drive on down to the Cartown Fountain with your pet, and Smokey the Fire Engine will sign you up so you can march in the parade. Don't be a crankcase, get in gear and join the fun.
That sounds great. I wish I had a pet.
Yeah, me too.
Maybe I'll go downtown and talk to Smokey. I better get ready.
What I'm about to do here is
boy, Tyro.
unnecessary, but it's still nice to do.
Hungry.
I guess he uses oil in the cereal. Well, one thing is a car. Purple car, that is. I have a cousin. At one time, she used to have a purple car. I think it was a some type of Chevrolet.
It's time to brush. This coin will come in handy.
Yes, it will. Okay, and then just for the heck of it.
Flying breakfast.
I don't know why there's a frog in his window to begin with,
It's a
but
swell day for a parade. How I could get past that cow.
you have to use the horn a few times in this game, by the way.
Now I can keep on driving.
Well, hello, Putt-Putt. Here to sign up for the parade?
That's Smokey the Fire
Yes, sir,
Engine.
Smokey.
Great, but there's a few things you'll need to do before you can join the parade.
You're the chief. Whatever you say.
First of all, you'll need a car wash, so you'll need to earn some money.
But how?
You could mow some lawns.
But I don't have a lawnmower.
Here, borrow mine.
Amazing how I can fit a whole lawnmower in this glove
thanks.
compartment.
How else can I earn money, Smokey?
Well, you could also deliver groceries for Mr. Baldini.
Those are great ideas.
And when you come to the parade, you'll need to bring a balloon and a pet.
I don't have a pet. I always
Get out
had
of
a
here.
Puppy.
Then I'm sure you'll find one. And don't forget your balloon.
I won't. Say, Smokey, do you know where I should go to mow lawns today?
Try Blue Street first.
It really is a blue street, as you'll see in a moment. And that's Car Town there.
Now I can cross. Blue Street. Smokey says there's lawns to mow there. Oh my, it's a marching band.
Right now we're a sitting band.
Yeah, how can we march without any music? I think I can help you.
And you click on the radio to take care of this.
1, 2, 3, 4. March 2, 3, 4. March 2, 3, 4. March 2. Now I can keep on driving.
How's it going, little squirt? What can I do for you?
I would like to mow your lawn.
Cool. You can mow my lawn.
Okay, this has always been kind of a boring part of the game, as you'll see.
A bone. I wonder if I'll need this. I better take it.
There was a bone he found. I remember when I was a kid, I used to think this was so boring that I'd have my mom play this for me as part of it. Oh boy. You see, I had a little trouble with this patch here. There we go.
All done.
Nice going, Putt. Here's your money, honey.
Thanks, Trixie. I wonder if there's anybody else.
I'm going to try the other way to make money, and that's
Now I can cross.
delivering groceries.
Looks like you need a car washer before the parade, huh? You want to earn us some money delivering groceries?
Yes.
Please take this to Mr. Potts and Service at number 4 Red Street. Oh, good luck.
Thanks. Now I can cross. Red Street. That's where I'm supposed to deliver groceries.
These nails
Look
do
at
cause a
those
problem,
nails.
as you can
They
see
look
here.
dangerous.
You'll see what happens when you run over them.
Look at those nails. They look dangerous.
These nails are dangerous, as you can see, and here's what happens when you run over them.
Whoa! Oh no, my tires are flat. I need help.
Horns sound a little bit different this time.
Chuck, you heard me.
You bet I did, little Putt-Putt. Now let's get you out of here.
Thanks for the help, Chuck.
Sure thing, Putt-Putt.
It's Cartown Gas and Tires.
Yep, I'm gonna have our tires replaced here.
Maybe I should go back and deliver these groceries.
Okay, we'll call it a day for this right now.